You can tell if a half-used caulk tube is still usable by checking its pliability, flow, and seal integrity before loading it into the gun. First, press the plunger slightly and squeeze the tube to confirm material flows smoothly. If nothing comes out with moderate pressure, the bead will be discontinuous, and you should not use it. Cut the tip conservatively with a utility knife to expose fresh material, and then test a short bead on scrap material to check adhesion and cure smell. Expired solvent-based caulk will have a strong chemical odor and poor tack. Inspect the nozzle for hardened residue and replace it or clear it with a small pick, so the bead shape is consistent and you do not introduce bubbles. Gently squeeze the tube along its length to feel for soft, pliable material versus hard, brittle zones which indicate partial cure inside. Soft body and uniform resistance mean the product is likely fine. Check the end cap or seal where the plunger sits for air gaps that let solvent evaporate. If you see a gap, do not assume the tube is good without testing a bead. Store opened tubes upright. Nozzle up with a temporary plug of plastic wrap and a screw cap or a nail through the nozzle to reduce air entry and prolong usability. Common mistakes include assuming a full-looking tube is usable when internal curing has occurred. Avoid that by always testing a bead before starting a job. Another issue is cutting the tip too large, which wastes material and makes control difficult. Cut a small opening and enlarge gradually until you get the desired bead width. A third problem is reusing a blocked nozzle, which creates irregular flow and voids. Remedy that by replacing or thoroughly clearing the nozzle and performing a flow test on scrap. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work through listings and project posts. We also host a discussion community on the site where members share tips, ask questions, and compare product experiences.